Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You want to stop right now. Release your forward input and hold no movement keys. If momentum persists, tap the opposite direction for a quick counter. This cancels ongoing motion. Make sure to hold sneak default shift to slow to a complete halt and prevent stepping off edges. Once stopped, check surroundings so you don't accidentally restart. If you're on a controller, let the stick return to neutral and hold crouch to lock your position while you plan the next move. For vehicles, you must interrupt their propulsion. In a boat, stop using the forward paddle and briefly paddle backward to bleed velocity, then hold no input. For minecarts, remove powered rail activation or use a piston or solid block as a physical brake. Riding minecarts will continue unless rails supply no power. For horses and pigs, dismount to halt immediately. Dismounting cancels the travel. Once done, secure the vehicle with blocks or rails to prevent accidental reactivation. Finish by physically securing your position. Place blocks, slabs, or fences around your feet, or stand on a safe block while holding sneak to avoid slips. If you're in flight or elytra, deploy a water bucket or land on a slime/ladder to absorb momentum. If movement glitches persist, relogging or switching to spectator and back or toggling game mode often clears sticky motion states. Make sure to test a quick small step after. If you slide again, repeat the physical block method to lock yourself in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.